Welcome everyone. Welcome to Journey with My Subconscious. Today is day 21st and our topic is our body is 99% energy. Do you know how? The tiniest part of our body is an atom. If you divide an atom beyond protons, neutrons, and electrons, what remains is just waves of energy and information. Science shows 99.99% of an atom is energy. Only 0.001% is matter. Our body is mostly energy, not just solid matter. How our body is built? Atoms converts to molecules, molecule converts to chemicals, and then cells converts to tissues, and then organs and system like endocrine system, respiratory system, digestive system. The all systems combined together called whole body. This means every cell of our body is full of energy and information. Now let's take a real time example. When we are happy and laughing, our body feels light and healthy. When we are angry or stressed, our body feels heavy, tensed, and tired. Our energy and thoughts directly shape how our body feels. That's why we say we are a soft technology. Each cell responds to the energy and information we give it. I hope this video helpful for you. We have started 21 days free online meditation. You can still join us and experience this beautiful practice together. See you soon. Take care.